Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to fix an iPhone screen that is zoomed in. A zoomed in iPhone screen is often caused by built-in zoom accessibility feature being turned on accidentally. In most cases, you can return the display to its normal size without losing any data. Follow the steps to fix an iPhone screen that is zoomed in. To begin, unlock your iPhone if possible. Double tap the screen with 3 fingers. Check if the display returns to its normal size. If the screen is still zoomed in, drag the screen with 3 fingers to move around. Then open the Settings app, tap Accessibility, choose Zoom, then turn Zoom to off. Return to the home screen and confirm the display is back to the normal size. Restart your iPhone if the screen remains zoomed in. After restarting, check whether the display issue has been resolved. Update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS if the problem continues. You can also force restart your iPhone if the screen remains unresponsive or excessively zoomed in. And lastly, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store if the issue persists after trying these steps. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.